Hey guys, I'm Dom and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to just be showing y'all I do this like 2 days out of the week where I deep cleanse my face and do face mask and whatnot. So I look bad, but I got my hair braided down for my wig, so that's that. Anyways, without further ado, let's get into this video. I just wipe my whole face with it and try and get off any excess dirt and oils. Okay, so I used to use the MD Acne, their customized treatment, but after a while it kind of stopped working for me. So I still use the morning moisturizer and the night cream, but I stopped using the cleanser every day. And I switched to just using a bar of Dove soap, and I just started this, so I'll let y'all know if it works or not. So I'm gonna take my Dove and this. By the way, I have my spin brush on high, and I got this from Walmart, so it's cheap. Okay, next thing I do is I go in with Garnier Skin Active with this cleansing water, and I put it on here. I do the same thing I did with the rubbing alcohol. So I have 4 different masks. I guess I'll show y'all my mask that I have. The first one I have is Freeman Feeling Beautiful Anti-Stress Deep Sea Minerals Clay Mask. Then I have this Formula 10.0.6 Get Your Glow On, and this is a peel mask. It's papaya and citrus. And by the same brand, I have this Deep Down Detox mud mask, and this is orange and bergamot. So yeah, oh, and this one is not technically a mask, but I use it as a mask, the Noxzema Classic Clean. I'm going to be doing this mask, and I usually use my little foundation brush, a little cheap brush, to spread it on. I let my mask stay on for about 15 minutes. And then I rinse it off in cold water. Well, not cold water, but cool water. So. Alright. Next thing I'm going in with is Dickinson Original Witch Hazel. Okay, and the last thing I'm going in with is my MD Acne Night Cream. And I only put it on my dark spots. I don't know if y'all can see that, but those are pretty much just about faded on my head. And these are almost faded. This one is not, because that was a recent pimple. I popped it. I didn't want to, but thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will leave my social medias and my email in the description box below. So yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video.